shining. Hey guys, hi, welcome to Bat Chat. My name is Jerry, aka Batman, and today, actually tonight, because it's nighttime, we're going to hey, we're going, hey. It's nighttime, okay? It is nighttime, and today we're going to talk about a skincare routine that is good for the evening. It is nighttime. See the moon? Look, a fallen star. Make a wish. Before we continue, I should let you know that the wish that I made is that I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you desire, or press the like button. Some of the products that I will be featuring on this video will be available to you on the Yes Style website, and if you like to look it up, you can go to log on to Yes Style and use my code, which is DREAM1205. People ask me, why is that my code? Well, Dream, because the biggest dreamer that, well, not the biggest one, but it's my favorite one, Walt Disney, and his birthday happened to be on December 5th. So Dream 1205. That's why it's my code. So you use that code to get a discount on these products. And if you cannot find the exact brand that I use on this video, you can look for the product itself that has the same ingredients, and it should be just fine. The first product that we're going to use is an instant cleansing balm by Good Molecules. Unfortunately, I don't think this is on the Yes Style website. However, I've seen it on Amazon, and I believe you can go to Sephora for some products. I'm not sure if this one, exactly this one is going to be there. But anyway, this is the balm, cleansing balm, and it has buckthorn oil, camellia oil, and shea butter. It leaves your skin so soft. It's so good. This is how you apply it. Well, we open it like so. It comes with a little spatula. That we open here, and obviously I used this quite a while, so quite a lot. So we take a little bit, just like this, and we put it on our skin. I always do the cross, not because I was raised Catholic, but I believe that's the way that everything is applied. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and it's gonna look a little oily, and you can go around the eye. It's fine. It won't hurt you. Just in a circular motion, just like so. Okay. I like to do this for at least 1 minute, just rubbing my face like this in circles, and then wash it off with warm water. Alright, I just washed my face, and I patted it dry, and the second thing we're going to use is actually, it's really cool. It's one of my favorites, and you will find this on the Yes Style website. And it's this is a carbonated bubble clay mask. You'll see why it's carbonated. It's so awesome. It's good. It says here it removes, it's good for the pores. It removes the dirt from the pores, and it's such a nice feeling. Once again, it comes with a little spatula as well. I'm not gonna use a spatula on this one, only because you're supposed to apply a considerable I can't talk, a considerable amount of this product on your face. My accent. So it should be like this, like so. Okay, out of the face. This is crazy, y'all. Like, Yeah, I can hear it doing the snack crackle pop thing. The bubbles, because of the carbonation, you can hear the bubbles forming, and it makes that sound like it crackles a little bit, and it's popping all over my face. It kind of tickles a little bit. It does a little bit. Oh my God, can you see it? It's like kind of like 3D. It's expanding. It's expanding. The bubbles. Oh my God, you can totally see it right there. See how it's like the foam that it creates? It's so cool. Something they recommend you do is that within 5 minutes of the application, you use a little warm water, wet your fingers, and then smear it a little bit like that. I know what you're thinking, and the answer is yes. I am this beautiful. Okay, now 10 minutes after the application and the scrub, you should remove it with water. Your skin is gonna feel uber soft. Like, it was soft before, it's super soft now. And the next step would be this. It's a moisturizer, and by Ink Key List, and it's for dry skin. It also reduces wrinkles, and it says it guarantees results in 28 days, but I believe that depends on the person and the skin type as well. It's a moisturizer, so it's really cool the way that it's applied. I've never seen this before, but you know, you remove the little cap, see, and then you press here, and it comes out like this. Huh? I just give it three pushes. Then I go like that in my hands and apply it to my face. Now the next step after that is us applying oil to our face, with vitamin A, and this is good because it helps with your skin elasticity. And I'm not sure this is on the Yes Style website. It's by Good Molecules. Look for cold pressed rosehip seed oil with vitamin A. I'm not an expert on this. I just use these products, and if they work for me, I like to tell you all about it. And they've been great to me, so I hope that they're good to you. This is also very interesting the way you apply it. It's with this little dropper thingy. See? And then you apply it like that. Just do a forehead first, like this. And then squeeze, take some more. And there. Until you do your whole face. I know it looks really oily, but that's just it's the oil. I'm not that oily. You can eat me, and I'm fat free, and this just became a sex ad. This is going to help you restore your natural glow as well, without having to get pregnant. The next step is actually very popular on the Yes Style website, and it's an eye cream right here. I know it's a cute little pig. It's called Balm White Eye Cream. Sorry, White Balm Eye Cream. Yes, and so we're going to take the eye cream. It's a cute little pea, and then we just apply a little bit here to your eye. Here and here. This is great for, you know how we have those bags in our eyes, creates those dark circles, and also it's gonna prevent wrinkles. Just don't get it inside your eye, please. Be very careful with this. And our last step, I know, oh, I know we're having such a great time on this fine evening, but all good things must come to an end. The last step is this right here. This is a lip mask. It's not going to be available on the Yes Style website, but I know that it's on Sephora. You can maybe find it on Amazon. I'm not really sure about that one, but it's amazing. But if not, there are others that are very similar. It's just like a very juicy lip gloss, and it's a lip sleeping mask is what they call it. This is berry flavor, berry. Wearing lip gloss is not enough. It's not enough. This is going to help you with hydration of your lips all night long. Even the morning after, you still feel it. You saw how I used to just a little bit around my entire lip area, and that was enough. And there you have it. Now we can go to bed on this fine evening. Well, thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment or any tips below. Press the like button, and you have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Thanks for watching.